You need to hear this if you're a tech lover. These AI tools in 2024 are game changers. First up, OpenAI's GPT-4. This powerhouse is your go-to for content creation and customer support, spitting out text almost as good as a human. Next, ChatGPT. Think of it as GPT-4's chattier cousin, making AI conversations smoother than ever. DALL-E 3 takes the cake in creativity, turning text into stunning visuals. Perfect for designers and marketers. Midjourney is another gem for artists, crafting beautiful artwork from your prompts. Codex is the coder's best friend, writing and explaining code like a pro. Hugging Face Transformers? They're top-notch for anything NLP. Don't forget TensorFlow and PyTorch, the champs of deep learning frameworks. Jasper AI whips up engaging content in no time. Bloggers, rejoice! For gamers, AI Dungeon offers endless adventures. And in biology, AlphaFold by DeepMind is decoding protein structures like never before. So which tool will you try first? The future's calling, and it's AI-powered. Hope this gets your audience buzzing with excitement about the latest AI marvels.